And today it's pasta carbonara time. So I season my own pork fat. I use pork belly because I don't like pig's cheek. There is 9 eggs in here and 3 extra egg yolks and my own seasoning and some Italian seasoning. Same seasoning I put on here. So you put those in here and you start cooking. Voila! Stir and add seasoning every layer. As that keeps cooking, I got the cheese ready. So I used Asiago, Pecorino Romano, Parmesan, and Asiago. Unless I said Asiago already. And this is a new cheese I found that's from Ireland. It's very mild in flavor. I like to mix and match. I think that the most important thing I ever done for my cooking is to make it comfortable for my home and what my family likes. So the water started bubbling, so I added the pasta. The pasta I love is this brand. And Fusilli called Buco, whatever. So I like bucatini because they have a hole in the middle for sauce, and so does these ones, but they're curly and pretty. And when it's starting to look like that, we're gonna start adding stuff. But towards scrambled eggs, you wanna take a little bit of the pasta water that's hot to the eggs first, whisk it, and then put it in. But I don't put the egg in until the pasta goes in there. Ultimately, how you're gonna cook it is you're gonna put all of this in with the meat, and then the warmth of the pasta is what's gonna cook the egg. So you wanna take some of this water and then you wanna temper the egg with this. You wanna take this and you wanna, now that it's tempered, you can pour it over the pasta and you can add cheese. I add cream too, that's not authentic either, but I like it creamy. Here's my husband helping the last bit. It's gonna be creamy, but look, the egg is not gonna be scrambled. You do not want scrambled eggs. Then at the end, I add a little freshly grounded pepper. You have to grind it yourself. It'll look pretty and taste good. I serve it with fresh bread, yummy, still a little warm. And you can dip it in the sauce. Product is with freshly cracked pepper on top and a bread. You can put butter on it if you want. Yummy!